Did you look in the cat?
No, get them. This cat has serious issues.
Mom, the cats have different issues, right? Says no. This is my new day.
Hey dolls, we have arrived to our destination. We are currently in Croatia. It is very beautiful. I only bought Kaona's wheelchair. I did not bring her walker or her stander because I don't think she will need it. But I definitely have to have time when I do physical exercises with her. That is essential. That even goes without saying. It's very important that she keeps her exercises in that way. So we were in Germany and now we are in Croatia, and she hasn't done any physical exercises because we've been on the road. But now that we are going to be staying here for the rest of the holidays, we are going to do those exercises maybe tomorrow because it's late now. We just arrived as well. Thing is as well, we have to go out and look for something to eat and get a few things for the house. This is a furnished place. I am exhausted. It is so hard. I am so tired. But hey, baby's gotta get fed. Oh my goodness. I'm tired right now. I just want to put my head on the pillow and sleep because I need it. Oh, I don't know what's in my eye because I really need it. So here we are now, and yeah.